Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar fall 0.4% against the yen. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The gold rose 0.9% against the dollar in the last trading session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 4.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices held close to a 2-month low as optimism over a US debt ceiling deal and reduced bets for a pause in the Federal Reserve's rate hike policy in June dented the metal's appeal. The US dollar fell against a basket of major currencies, but did not drift far from a 2-month peak after a deal over the US debt ceiling lifted risk sentiment, although the agreement could face a rocky path through Congress. Bybit has announced that it will be exiting the Canadian market starting as soon as today due to recent regulatory developments in the country, adding to several other exchanges that pulled out from the country.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Germany's unemployment rate will be released at 07:55 GMT. Australia's construction work done at 01:30 GMT. The US Fed's Beige Book at 1800 hours GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts will be released at 0500 hours GMT. The US Chicago Purchasing Managers Index at 1345 GMT. Germany's unemployment change at 0755 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.